I let my birds out about 2 hours ago, like 2 hours and 15 minutes ago. It's now 7:15. It's getting dark and these babies don't want to land. I want to go ahead and get on in so I can go inside. It's the second day of fall and it's kind of cold out here and I just want to not be out here right now. But they are deciding to fly until it gets totally dark, and we'll see what happens. There they go. There they go. Hopefully they come down pretty soon. They land pretty soon so I can feed and water them. Usually if they go this late, I don't feed them that much. I just let them go on the perch and bear it up until the morning time, you know. But I like to give them a little bit of a reward too, you know. So, but as you can see, the skies are getting dark and they are not wanting to stop flying. It's beautiful, beautiful country out here. As you can see, the view is amazing. Don't worry, my neighbor's shooting his gun. He's doing what he's got to do. And he's all the way down there, and we're good neighbors. It's my loft over there, and those are the birds over there. There they go. They're just not wanting to stop flying. Tonight they're not doing it. There they go. Look, they're gonna like they want to go range again. 7:15 at night. It's getting dark. They're coming around. I can see them coming around. Here they are. Here they come. They just don't want to stop flying. There they go. I'll let you know whenever they land. I don't think it's gonna be anytime soon. You know, they've literally landed before when it was literally dark, like pitch dark. There they go again. This is coming up on 2.5 hours now, right? And they just won't stop flying. These are my 2022 young birds. So far they've been trained to 60 miles. Not all of them, there are just about 12 of them. Been trained to 60 miles. The others are some really late hatches and that are just now taking their first flights. Here they come. They're not totally ready yet. I'm proud of these birds, you know. Proud of these birds. I got some Van den Bulk Kittel birds, about 6 of them up there. Some Ornat birds. Mostly Van den Bulk and Ornat birds are up there. And they're doing some flying, man. Look at them. Never too tired to do an extra lap. Well, I was hoping to do a short video, but we're going already in 4 minutes and these babies are flying. Now they're making like they want to land. Let me see what they're gonna. They're gonna have to land sometime, right? There they go. They're gonna have to land sometime. They're doing the float fly, you know, like when they're about to land. So I think they know. The thing about these birds is that I train them all through the summer in like really hot weather. This weather is like they can fly. They can literally fly all day in this weather. I wouldn't doubt it. These birds they'll fly. I mean, look at them go. I've just about had it. I want to go in. You know, but I gotta see them out and see them in and lock the trap door and everything, because we have critters, a lot of critters around here. As you can see, that's straight up forest back there. Big bushes and mountains and miles of mountains. But there's a lot of open skies here for the birds to fly, and they love flying out here. And you know, when they fly in the morning, I let them out. They range, they go for like a couple hours, and then they come back. They fly around here for like another 45 minutes. You know, the day before yesterday, they flew for 3.5 hours. Like they came back and give me another hour and a half right here after being gone for like 2 hours. They were gone. You know, I just let them do their thing. It tells me that they're in good health. And you know, this is actually my first year back in birds after after decades. You know, so I started with a small loft, 10 by 20, and I have 4 sections in there, and you know, hopefully I could expand if I feel like I want to do it. And like I said, I started with the Kittel birds, the best Kittel, Ornat. Those are my main strains. I just imported something from Andres Drapa. So Andres, a best Kittel hen and a Kittel cock. So that they should be coming anytime soon. Look at them birds. Now they're trying to land. When I first started settling them, the first few birds used to love landing in that tree right there, right above the loft. But I broke them out real fast. So now they land right over there, or some of them land straight on the trap door. Some of them land on the loft, which is fine, you know. None of these birds are going to be raced. So, but I just like them. I just like them to just land and you know, coming to the loft really fast. Landing in a tree sometimes doesn't really facilitate that. Plus, I don't want to, you know, it's a good thing for them to know how to land in a tree, just in case at some point I take them out and they get a little bit turned around and they have to sleep out, you know. It's a good thing. It's a good thing to know, but I don't want them to be landing in a tree. So there's only a little bit of sunlight left now, and they're flying in it. And look at that. It's literally getting. Look at that. It's getting dark out there. Look at that. The sky's getting dark. And they're fooling around. I mean, it's literally dark. Look at that. This is a good camera though. This camera, it's made for it does really well in the dark. So I like that. But look, this video is 7 minutes and coming up at 8 minutes long, and these birds are getting it on. They're doing their thing. You know, so it is what it is. It is what it is. I'll get back to you in a minute here. I don't know if they're gonna land it. There they go. There they go. Look, there they go. The good thing about tonight is that the bugs are not biting, because the mosquitoes don't like the cooler weather. So, but I'm out in a t-shirt, man, and I'm a little bit chilled, you know. I was hoping by now they'd be in already. They just don't want to stop flying. It must be that versatile lager food. and the natural spring water. Look at that, they went up a little higher, look. Without any prompting, they're just going. But I love to see them fly. I love to see my birds fly, you know. They're out at least once every day. At least once every day. There they go. Look at them come around. Look at them. The clouds are really getting dark now. Like night clouds are coming in. These babies gotta land, you know. I want to see this video through, but my gosh, I don't know how long they're gonna be. They're used to my neighbor shooting his guns, you know. They're not very spooked by it anymore. They used to be in the beginning, used to be spooked, but he shoots so much that it doesn't spook him. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you, man, and we talk soon. I think my lens is getting a little bit cloudy there. Might be. There they go. Just making a. They ain't coming now, and it's getting dark. They ain't coming. I tell you what, those Kittel birds are they're serious birds. I tell you now, they love flying. They love flying and they love sprinting. I took them 60 miles. Those babies were home, like home. They were here, you know. They just love flying. Okay, I'm gonna cut this video off because I'm not gonna do the whole fly. Look at that. Just as though they don't know it's nighttime and it's time to come on in. They have no clue. There they go. There they go. They're trying to land. Here they come. There they go. I see him coming. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Peace. Still going. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just not gonna let them out anymore, man. You know, they're eating into my family time here. Ooh-wee. I love it. I love it. Look at them. They don't care about nighttime. Nighttime what? Look at that. They're not even trying to land. I got the light in my loft on, the lights on, because they need something to see when they get in here. They need something to see something. Look at that. Look at how dark it is when they're without the light. It's already night in here. Look at that. It's pretty warm in here. It's a young bird section here. These babies are ready to sleep. Look at them. Going through the molds. What a pretty bird. Look at that bird right there. That's a Vandenberg hen. They're just catching the nighttime Z's. Another Vandenberg hen right there. Kittel. Kittel hen right here. My breeding stock for 23. That's the best Kittel bird right here. Splash is the best Kittel bird. It's Kittel crossed. Kittel bird. This is a granddaughter of Ornat right here. Out of an Ornat son. And yeah, all right, well, the birds haven't landed yet. It's not coming up in 15 minutes since I started shooting this video. Let me see where they are. I really wanted to do a video of them coming in. You see what I'm saying? And I thought it was at that time of night they would literally come in. Look at them. Look at them. Oh my gosh. These birds don't want to land. Look at them. Look. Let me see what would happen here. That's where they land right there. There they go. There they go. this hen right here. She wants to go into the cock section because that's the stage of life she's at. Somebody went. I think I left this door open. I started seeing all the birds coming in here. A couple of young birds out still. There's one. There's two. That might be it. Let me just check outside and see. That might be the whole stack of them. Yeah, that's it. They're all inside. Good stuff. Then I close my stuff right here. Close this up. Put that up right there. That's closed up. And get some locks and put it on there. And coming inside, make sure the birds are okay. Alright, well, again, it's been awesome doing this video. It's coming up on 20 minutes now since I started. I planned to do a 5-minute video because I thought they would at least land by then, but they didn't want to land. And it is what it is. They're all in safe. They got a good stretch tonight, and they might get a flag in the morning, perhaps. Maybe yes, maybe no, I'm not sure. But it's awesome. Alright, later. Bye.